Dear students, welcome to SCPS online live class 5 English version. This is your Kamrul sir. Alhamdulillah, I am fine and I hope you are also fine by the grace of Almighty Allah. Dear students, today we will discuss again chapter 13. So it will be our part 2. Chapter 13, you know, the title of chapter 13, data arrangement. Dear students, in the previous class, we learned how to make a frequency distribution table, and by using frequency distribution table, how you can solve or you can draw any histogram. That means we know how to draw an histogram and how to make a frequency distribution table. Dear students, today we will learn if we know the histogram, then we will get some information. That means some question and you will be able to answer this question. Today we will discuss this one. So dear student, let's start. Now dear students, in the right side you can see there are histogram. It shows the weight in kg of students, suppose any section of class 5 in our SCPS. Now, according to this histogram, that means based on this histogram, we have to give the sum answer. Now look, what is the question? Number 1, A. How many students are there in the section of class 5? Now, according to this histogram, we have to give the answer of A. Now another question, B number, what class includes more students than others? This class, dear students, don't worry, this class not indicated the class 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Already you know in the previous class, 20 to 24, 25 to 29, 30 to 34, this is also including a class. This is called class interval. So what class? That means what class interval? In which class interval more students than the others class interval. Clear? So this class indicate our class interval. Now C number, how many percent of students are in the class 35 to 39? Look, 35 to 39. How many percent of students belongs there? We have to give the answer. And last one, D number, how many percent of students are less than or equal 29 kilograms in weight? Dear students, you can see that in this histogram, this indicates weight of some students. Now we have to give the answer according to this histogram. Now at first, number A, how many students in this histogram? Clear? Now dear students, look, 20 to 24 class interval, there are 2 students. This is level to 2, so we can say there are 2 students. 25 to 29, there are 3 students. 30 to 34, look, there are 6 students. 35 to 39, there are 7 students. 40 to 44, 5 students. And last one, 45 to 49 belongs 2 students. This 40 to 45, 45 to 49, this is indicates weight of the student. 45 to 49, this weights carries 2 students. Clear? So this is our indicator. Now this number indicates the student. So if we add all the numbers, then we will get the total students of in this section. So dear students, now we can write answer of A. Dear students, number A, we have to write the answer. In the histogram, there are how many? Now look, 2, then 3, then 6, this one 7, and now we can write this one, another one 5 plus 5, another one 2. So how many students, dear students? 2, 3, 5, 5, 6 are 11. Sorry, 6 is addition, 5 and 6, 11, 11, 7, 18. 18 and 5, 23 and 2, 25. So we can say there are 25 students. So the answer of A, that means in the histogram there are 25 students. So we can say in this section of the class 5 there are 25 students. Very simple. Just indicate this is the number of students. If we add this one, then you will get the total students in the section. Now B number, what class includes more students than others? Dear students, look, just you consider in which class interval more students? Yes, very good. And this is 35 to 39. Don't look, 35 to 39. This is carries 7 students. So we can write answer of B, in the class 35 to 39. In the class 35 to 39 contains or includes, anyone contains more students than others. Then others means others class interval. Clear? So this class interval contains more students, 7 students. This is the more. Okay. Now question number C, dear students. How many percent of students are in the class 35 to 39? Dear students, we can write 35 to 39. There are 7 students. We can see that there are 7 students. And in the whole histogram, that means in the whole section, there are how many students? Yes, 25 students. This is the answer of problem number A. So, out of 25 students, there are belongs 7 students. Now, percent, what is the meaning of percent? Percent means out of 100. So, out of 100, how many students will be there? We have to find. This is indicate percent. Clear? So, now, dear students, I have already A and B solved. Now, write A and B, copy it. At first, I have to erase, then I will write the answer of C. Okay, now I am erasing A and B. So, dear student, C number, at first we can write here, in the class 35 to 39, there are how many students? 7 students. So in the class 35 to 39, there are 7 students. Now from A we get there are total 25 students. So we can write out of 25 students in the class, now out of 25 students in the class, how many students? 7 students. Now percentage means out of 100. So unitary method, at first we have to find the value of 1. So out of 1 students in the class, 7 by 25 students, and out of 100 students, so 7 multiply 100 divided by 24. Now dear students, If we divide 100 by 25, it will be 4 times. So 4 7 ja 28. So we can say 28 students. 0 1 2 3. This is indicate students. Clear, dear students? So in the class 7 students, now out of 100 there will be 28 students. So this is our answer of percent. So we can write, when you will write the answer, now write 28%. In the option of answer, there you have to write 28%, but there you have to write 28 students, not 28%. It will be 28 students. When you write the answer, then write 28%. Why? Because this is out of 100. This 28 out of 100. So this is 28%. There, very simple. Now dear students, our last question, according this histogram, D number, how many percent of students are less than or equal? Look, there are two options, less than or equal 29 kilograms in weight. Now dear students, in the class interval, look, this is 20 to 24 kg, that means kilogram, 20 to 24. So this is less than 29, and 25 to 29, this is including 29 also, 29 also included. So 25 to 29, so 25, this is less than 25, 26, 27, 28, they are less than 29, and also we can take equal 29, so this is 29. So in this two class interval, we can say they satisfied our condition, less than or equal 29. Now look, this is 30 to 34, so this is more than 29. So in these two classes, we can say they are satisfied our question. So how many students? In the 20 to 24 classes, 2 students, and 25 to 29, there are 3 students. So it will be 2 plus 3, that means 5 students. Good. Now dear students, I think you copied all already problem number C. Now we will go to the problem number D. Now dear students, at first we have to write the number of students at first we have to find the number of students, their weight less than 29 or equal 29. So the number of students weighted is less than or equal 29 kg. Equal, what will be the answer? 2 plus 3. That means how many students? 5 students. So less than 29 or equal 29, there are 2 plus 3, 5 students. Now we know there are 25 students. So out of 25 students in the class, there are 5 students. So out of 100, percentage means out of 100. Similar to problem number C. Now write, out of 25 students, we can write there are how many students? 5 students. Now out of 1 students, there are 5 by 25 students. Now dear students, out of 100, that means percent, there are 5 into 100 divided by 25. Now if we divide, it will be 4 times. Now 5 4 ja 20. So 20 students. Now answer 20%. Clear? So we can say less than 29 or equal 29 white, there are 20% students. Clear, dear students? Very simple. Now copy it very fast. Now our last topics in the chapter 13. Our last topics, population density. Now we will write about population density. Now dear students, population density means per square kilometer area how many people there belongs in the any place. Clear? This is called population density. Now we can write the formula. Population density, that means population divided area, or you can say total population divided total area. Population means total and area, that means total area. Clear? So population divided area, this is called population density. And what is the unit of population density? This is, you have to write people per square kilometer. And you know what is the meaning of per? Per means 1. Per square kilometer, that means 1 square kilometer. Clear? So people per square kilometer, this is the unit of population density. So if we write, this is problem number 1. So by using this formula, you will be able to write another two formula, area and population. Now dear students, you can write population will be area into population density. Now what will be the unit of population? People. Good. Only people. You have to write only people. And population density, people per square kilometer. Now third one, area. Area, that means you have to divide population divided by population density. And what will be the unit of area? Yes, square kilometer. Square kilometer. When the measurement is huge, then we can use kilometer other than meter, centimeter. Clear? Kilometer. So area, that means square kilometer. If we divide population by population density, then you will get the area. So this is 3 formula. By using 3 formula, you will be able to solve any maths about population density. Clear, dear students? Okay, now I can give an example for your better understanding. Suppose this is village. So suppose the name of village, suppose A and this is B. Suppose. Now this is population. And this is suppose area. And this is population density. Suppose the population of village A 32,000, suppose, and this is, we don't know. Area of the village A, suppose 16, and this is which one? People. and this is square kilometer, and suppose this is 10 square kilometer, and this one, what is the population density, and this one, suppose 200 people per square kilometer. Now you have to find the population density of village A and total population of village B. Now dear students, we know what is the formula of population density: population divided area. So their population 32,000 and area 16. So if we divide 32,000 divided by 16, this is 2 times and this is 30. So these people per square kilometer. So population density of village A 2000 people per square kilometer. And look, there village B, we have to find the total population. Their area 10 square kilometer and population density 200 people per square kilometer. And we know what is the formula of population: area into population density. So if we multiply, this will be 2000. So we can say village a very simple, a little village. Clear? So this is the process. You can find the value of population density, population, and also area. Clear, dear students? So now you can take your homework. If you go to the exercise 13, problem number 2 and 3. In the exercise 13, problem number 2 and 3. Problem number 2, it will be histogram based maths, and problem number 3, you will get such kind of table according to population density area. So it will be very simple. So our chapter 13 is finished. So next class we will go to the chapter 14. Okay dear students, no more today. Allah Hafiz.